Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to buy diamonds in Mobile Legends. First thing first, diamonds are the premium currency in Mobile Legends Bang, used to buy skins, heroes, emotes and other exclusive items. Firstly, launch the Mobile Legends app on your Android or iPhone. Log in with your account and then on the main screen, tap the diamond icon at the top of the screen. This will open the Recharge Center where you can see different diamond packages. Now browse the available packages and select the one that you want to purchase. Now, depending on your device, if you're on Android, choose Google Play Billing. You can pay with mobile balance, credit or debit card, PayPal or gift cards. And for iPhone, you can purchase using your Apple ID balance, credit card or App Store gift card. Now review your order summary, then tap Pay. Now wait for the transaction process, which is a few seconds. Once the payment is successful, the diamond will appear instantly in your Mobile Legends account. You'll also receive a confirmation message or email from your payment provider. Just a tip, always buy diamonds through the official in-game store or authorized websites like Coda Shop, never from random sellers as they can be scams. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.